Hi there, my name is Shanika McCarty, and I'm going to show you a communication app that allows teachers, students, parents, and school administration to communicate with each other. This app is called The Living Tree, and it can be accessed on your desktop by typing in www.livingtree.com. Now, this is what it looks like when you first go onto the website, and you can either sign up or log in. And because I have login credentials, I'm just going to log into my account. And once you reach the Living Tree's homepage, you'll notice it looks very similar to a social media site. Now, you will also notice that you can download this app on your mobile device. You can download it on your iPhone, or if you have an Android, you can download it on your Android. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do when you are on Living Tree is to create a group or a class, and I created one, Miss McCarty's class, and you can actually invite students and parents to this class, to join this class, and you can either invite them by using a group code or using an email. And once students and parents have access to the class, they can actually view all posts that have been created, even ones that were created before they joined the class, which I think is a pretty cool feature. Now, there are various ways that you can share information with parents, and if you look at these tabs, you'll notice that you can send messages, which are similar to emails, photos, video, you can download files and send those, you can even send a text message. And when you click on any one of these tabs, which I'm going to click on the text message, this composition box shows up. And you can put in a subject, which I wouldn't encourage for a text message because you can't see that subject anyway. But your text message is limited to 150 characters, so texting is great for quick announcements for parents and students alike. And you can also go down here to this pull down menu where it says I want to share this with, and you can choose to share it with parents so that they're the only ones who can view and respond, or you can choose to share it with students. Now, when you share it with students, parents still have access to that text message, they just cannot respond. Now, you can also choose to disable comments, and you can also choose to allow resharing. And no matter which message tab you click on, they have that same feature for you to choose who you want to share it with. And so I'm just going to close out of here. Another cool feature is the calendar. Now, the calendar allows you to create events. You can click here. You can enter an event name. You can choose who you want to share it with. Again, parents or students. And it's pretty easy to use. You can even download photos. You can require them to RSVP, require them to sign up for tasks, and you can even make sure that parents and students get reminders about this event. And another cool feature is that you can subscribe your Living Tree calendar to your Google, iCal, or Outlook calendars. Now, I'm not sure that when you sync your personal calendar or your school calendar with your Living Tree calendar, if events from both calendars sync together. So I would be wary to use a personal calendar just in case students and parents have access to that information. But those are just some of the key features of this communication app. And I hope that you will consider using it in your classroom, especially if you are an elementary school teacher. I feel like this app is especially friendly to the elementary students. And I feel like for secondary, it would be great to use the conversation option or feature. But yeah, I hope that you will consider using this app, and thank you for joining me.